Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Point number 2 that I want to make, sir, is the Honorable Chief Minister said that the voting on the demand for grants that was done last Friday was for the supplementary demands. That is absolutely wrong, sir. Supplementary demands were done on the 21st of this month. Now, if we have voted for the demand for grants last Friday, I have a right to know under which rule were the demand for grants submitted in the House and voted last Friday. Now, if we say that voting for demand for grants can be done before the Finance Minister reply, then the reply of the Finance Minister at the end of the budget discussion becomes redundant. I raise this point, sir, again, not because I want to pull or push anybody. I want this House to follow the rule. And if the House is not following the rule, what is the point for us to sit here and listen to all the blabbering? So my request is, sir, the word "we wasted time" should be expunged. The misleading statement of the Chief Minister that last Friday was demand for supplementary demands were voted, that is absolutely wrong. It should be corrected. And if we have voted for the main budget for this year last Friday, then we have gone way grossly beyond the provision of the rules. This is my submission, sir. And if the chair cannot correct this, I feel the opposition has no role to sit and listen here. This is my submission, sir. So I would like to hear what is your ruling, sir.
Sir. Mr. Speaker, sir.
So I don't think we can have final thing also. Also, as per Rule 3116, suspension of the rules can be moved by parliamentary affairs. But as I've already given the ruling, so my ruling is final. So we come to item number 3 again. Chief Minister in charge to finance to reply on the budget discussion. Chief Minister.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
Mr. Speaker,
like
sir,
to
if the rule is not followed, I think the duty of the opposition members to sit here is ended.
I've already made my ruling.
The ruling is not very clear, sir, so we are not satisfied. So the opposition members have no role to sit here and waste their time. The Finance Minister is redundant, is useless.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think your ruling is very clear. Let me again come back. See, I think in the first day itself, we place this BAC decision to the House. And ultimately, the House has adopted, has agreed. So, we
Mr. Speaker, sir, we, as a mark of disapproval, lest it becomes precedent, we walk out as a token of our protest, Mr. Speaker.
Sir, then even the opposition means they make fool of themselves. If you say you walk out at the same time, you also walk out at the same time, we approve it. I think, sir, that in fact, this attitude is not at all acceptable.
You may move, Parliamentary Affairs Minister can move the Rule 316, so we can for the suspension.
Sorry, sir.
You may
Yes,
move under Rule 316 for suspension of rules. I think.
Sir,
No need.
still, sir, let me just tell you one thing, sir. Because this calendar has been approved by the House.
Exactly.
The first day itself. So how can we again go back to
Mr.
316?
Speaker, sir,
How can we go back to
already
316?
given you a ruling. The Honorable Chief Minister is already on his feet. He will be allowed to continue his speech.
Yes.
I'll walk out.
Sir, first of all, it is really, really unfortunate that the honorable members are making an issue out of something where they themselves were part of the decision when you had put the question of the business, the proposal of the Business Advisory Committee, and the entire House has accepted it. To me, sir, it looks like they don't want to listen to the reply on the budget, because it looks like they are seeing the kind of work that's happening, and from what I understand, that they are finding a reason not to be here to listen to the reply. So, which is very unfortunate again, as I said, because these are very important matters. A budget speech will be